At the Nyakarenzo COVID-19 treatment center, one of 3 in Rusizi District, we found patients in high spirits despite having contracted the virus. All of them conducted trade in the DRC or came into contact with people who do, including truck drivers that transport goods over the border. I was sending potatoes to them to sell, and they would return with money for me at the border, where I would receive it and then have it exchanged to Rwandan francs. I would then send more potatoes to them. I was working in Bukavu. We were crossing the border and taking goods there, and then we got sick. There are 34 people at the Nyakarenzo treatment center, 4 of them Congolese nationals, and they started arriving there at the beginning of this month of June. They say they are being treated well and do not feel the virus is having very bad effects on their bodies. I feel fine. I don't feel weak or anything. The doctors are giving us medicine and helping us. This place is all right. In the morning we drink tea, and those who are able to then go for physical exercises. You should come back tomorrow and see us doing those exercises. Local residents living close to the center have mixed feelings about the pandemic and just how serious it is. There are many questions being asked, and some do not even believe that this is happening. I suspect they are the ones making things worse, actually, exposing themselves and others to this threat. If they truly understood the gravity of the situation, they would not even venture out of their houses. As for the patients in centers, we do not know how they are because we don't see them. Some speculate that they are very ill, and it makes us worried. As we hear of the numbers increasing, it makes us scared, but I guess not knowing at all would be worse. We believe that the information being provided gives us more opportunities to beat this pandemic and see it through to the end. Those being treated at the center have this to say to the rest of society. We are not critically ill because we have good doctors caring for us. People should not be overly alarmed and instead protect themselves. Those in areas that are under lockdown should listen to the government and stay home. My strength has returned and I was playing some football when you arrived. I am really fine. With COVID-19 cases increasing in Rusizi District, authorities say more treatment centers are going to be set up. In Rusizi, we currently have 99 patients and they are all doing fine. None is critical and in need of a ventilator. We are only giving the medicine to ease their sore throats and bring down fevers for those that develop them. All were infected locally in rural areas. The disease brought back to them by those who cross the border, especially drivers. The more patients we get, the more treatment centers we are setting up. The 2 health centers we had were not enough, so we took a hotel to open up a 3rd. We are also planning to set up another treatment center at the local university, fully equip it and treat people there as well. Efforts to contain the virus in Rusizi and elsewhere have continued.